Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. People that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're using one account because beginners only try it instead of just putting their faith into it like that. Now, you may get better results than me, you might get worse results than me. I'm just showing you the type of results I get, guys, and trying to show you that this works. That's all I'm saying. And if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Now let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. It's essentially a funnel builder. And it shows you how to build up a funnel. It shows you how to do all of the things and keep up with it. If you know any kind of online business type situation, you want a funnel builder, it kind of elevates your business to the next level. And learning how to do that right away will boost your chances of really jumping the gun there. But anyway, it's a funnel builder, and let's talk about the product. The product's a funnel builder with all kinds of things going for it. I mean, it's multiple things, but it's a funnel builder essentially, and it's $25 per month with no limitations. Now, the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, and it's $149 per month, which is insane and has a ton of limitations. You want to get rid of those limitations, that's $300 per month. Guys, that's a year in my, the $25 business system. That's a year. The reason they can charge that much because they were first. That don't mean they the best. They definitely ain't the best. But I used to pay that. I'm upset I used to pay that. A lot of stuff they have you don't even really need. So anyway, guys, let's go to the second reason and the most probable reason you guys are probably interested in the $25 all-in-one digital business, and the reason I personally was interested in the $25 business is because of its affiliate system. And its affiliate system is 80% recurring income. That's absolutely insanity, guys. Like, it's like a couple of people in this system, right, I've gotten one sell off of and made like hundreds of dollars off of, guys, because they stayed in the system. And it's only been about 4 months since I had it. So it's really building up, and I'm really liking it, man. Doing really well. Like you see, guys, up here, 2,800 right here. How much money I made here, and working out really well. All right, so let's get to it, guys. All right, first off, what we're gonna hit refresh here to show real results, guys. Because if they don't refresh the page, don't believe the results you see. I'm gonna make sure I clarify that. Alright, so we're going to refresh the page, and we're going to refresh the page now. Alright, guys, looks like we did get a sale. Looks like we did get a sale.
Nice.
Now, we would know for sure. It might just be a rebuild now that I think about it. So I'm not entirely sure if it's a sale or a rebuild. Either way, I make money from it, from people that staying in the system. That's what I'm trying to show you guys, why a sale in this system is so important, because they stick to it. And you get paid multiple times, and it acts like another sale the next month. Yeah, very good here. Most of these are probably rebuilds. You know what I mean? All the money I'm making now from this is probably rebuilds. It's crazy, man. It's working out really well. Just showing you guys how well it's working. You guys get to it too as well. You know what I mean? Do exactly what I'm doing. It's working for me. It should work for you. I see no reason it shouldn't. Anyway, guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on to My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're just gonna click on the next thing. We're just gonna click on our next email. That's all it takes at this point. We just need to get our next email here. Right here. It's the next email here. So we just load up that email. So everything is already put in place. It's already been written and sent before, so everything's fine. The link that you want to use, guys, and the link that I use is the all-in-one $25 business. Now this promotes the $20 recurring and the $100 recurring, because people ask me about the $100 recurring. It also promotes $400 the $400 and an $800 payment as well. But I haven't gotten any of those yet, so I don't talk about them that much. But it promotes some high ticket sales as well, guys. I'm just making sure I clarify that, because some people were interested in that as well. They was like, is there any high ticket? Yeah, it's $400 and $1,000 one. I mean $800 one. So yeah, you get some high tickets in there as well. So anyway, guys, that's all you gotta do. Make sure you hit perfect time and show you the links. I mean, show people the email. You know, right? It'll send the email right when they check it. So it's a better chance of them checking it. Make sure you preview, make sure your link works, and then see the email, and you are done, guys. That's all it takes. Easy, quick, simple, and yeah, man, that's all you gotta do. And I don't know how to explain it any easier. It's that simple, guys. Yeah. And just doing this every day, half a minute a day, you build up a couple $100 a month doing that. I've been doing that, so it shouldn't. I have no reason to believe it wouldn't work for you guys as well. You should at least get a couple of sales by now, and you should at least be in the hundreds of dollars. If you started when I started, you might even be doing better than me. So anyway, guys, that's all it takes. That's all I'm saying. You're interested in following along, the links in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.